Canada's electronic spy agency is under the microscope tonight as well. The Communications Security Establishment, or CSEC, has insisted it targets only foreign communication. But now it's been revealed it's also sweeping up the personal information of thousands of Canadians and storing it for up to 30 years. So should that be cause for concern? No, according to the minister in charge. Vashi Capellos reports.
If you're concerned about the government snooping on you in the name of national security, Defence Minister Rob Nicholson says you have nothing to worry about.
I think the system works well.
But an onslaught of stories saying otherwise has Canadians concerned about their privacy and asking what can be done. CSEC, the federal government's electronic spy agency, has been under a spotlight.
The latest revelation, citing cyber defense efforts, CSEC sometimes keeps personal information of Canadians who use federal computer networks for up to 30 years.
Past revelations include CSEC tracking travelers through airport Wi-Fi and the agency's former head shutting down a counter-espionage campaign for being too aggressive. Security expert Wesley Wark says the revelations have had a cumulative effect on Canadians.
They're concerned about an overweening government that seems to have a lot of surveillance powers that are being used in the dark.
It is often forgotten.
That issue is being looked at by the government. The Senate is asking whether there needs to be parliamentary oversight of CSEC. Testifying in front of committee, Canada's Privacy Commissioner Chantal Bernier said the agency should file annual reports about what it does and why it does it.
They have, in fact, lived in the shadows for decades, unbothered, and suddenly the spotlight is turned on them.
It doesn't look like the government can be convinced. Nicholson insists the current checks on CSEC are enough.
And this is the group that is trying to protect Canada from international terrorists, cyber hackers, and kidnappers.
But that doesn't mean Canadians will stop asking how much of their privacy they have to give up for that to happen. Vashi Capellos, Global News, Ottawa.